भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। शांति शांति शांति। We'll read from the second verse. Page, what is the page? तगम्ह कुमारगं सन्तं दक्षिणासु नीयमानासु श्रद्धा विवेश सोमन्यत पीतोदका जगदत्रणाः दुग्धदोहा निरीन्द्रियाः अनन्दानाम ते लोकाः तान् स गच्छति ताददत् स होवाच पितरं तत्कस्मै मां दास्यसि इति द्वितीयं तृतीयं तगम्होवाच मृत्यवे त्वा ददामीति बहुनामेमि प्रथमः बहुनामेमि मध्यमः किगं स्विद्यमस्य कर्तव्यम् किगं स्विद्यमस्य कर्तव्यम् यन्मयाद्य करिष्यति अनुपश्य यथा पूर्वे प्रतिपश्य तथा परे सस्यमिव मर्त्य पच्यते सस्यमिवाजायते पुनः। अगेन अनुपश्य यथा पूर्वे प्रतिपश्य तथा परे सस्यमिव मर्त्यः पच्यते सस्यमिवाजायते पुनः सस्यमिवाजायते पुनः। You have seen that in the first valli, among the 4 topics which are mentioned, is the Shishya Lakshanani. What should be the characteristic of a disciple? What should be the yogyata, qualification of a disciple? So what is the meaning of yogyata or adhikar? Another word in Sanskrit is adhikar. What is the meaning of yogyata? Phalakanta, that which gives the fruit. What is the meaning of adhikar, qualification, doing which a person will get the desired fruit? If the person is qualified and he does something, he will get the desired fruit. if an unqualified person does something, it will not produce the desired fruit. Anybody can drive car, but the one who is the adhikari, who is the qualified person, who has learned, and then he drives, the same car can take you to the destination. But the unqualified driver, who has just 10-year-old boy, supposing he drives, so it can create an accident also. So it will give a very undesirable fruit. So unless our qualification is higher, Praman will not be operative. You remember I had said one point that Vedas are Upajivya Praman. Vedas are the Pramanas. So like the Pratyaksh is Upajivya Praman. You say this is flower. Similarly, Vedas will also tell something about Atma, about the Jagat. But if that knowledge has not taken place, it only means that the student is less qualified. And therefore, through this story, Kathopanishad is trying to bring out what is the important qualification of the student. So listening to this, you keep on seeing whether I have this or not. And if it is not there, we should try to develop it. And if it is there, we should try to enhance it. Any goodness, there is no limit to which you can increase it. So first you saw that Nachiketas had Shraddha. Yesterday I had described about the Shraddha in detail. I will not go ahead again. But if Shraddha is there, a person has the capacity to think in a very bigger area of thinking aids. With Shraddha, his thinking is in a very vast and very big area. And with that vast and big area of thinking, what happens that he gets the solution also. That which is not seen, he starts seeing that which is not seen with the direct eyes, he is able to see that, and ultimately he finds that what he was not able to see, he can see it with the direct eyes also. So something was there, I did not see it, but I believed in it. So after some time, you will see that what you had not seen directly with the eyes, you start seeing it directly also. So you will have a lot of capacity of thinking increases with Shraddha. And with that thinking, you become very stronger. You become very austere. You become very pure. You become very contemplative. You become very meditative. You take very big decisions. You are able to go for very big flights. You start doing good actions. You start propitiating the God. You start seeing the goodness in the person. So Shraddha was Nachiketa's foundation of thinking. Second quality about Nachiketa was his Nyaya-priyata. He was fond of judging justice. He felt I should not be partial to something. So he thought that if I don't stop this donation of dilapidated cows, my father will go through bad fruit. So one should have little sense of justice also. Second thing. Third thing what we saw, that when his father reprimanded him, he didn't get angry. He didn't get angry. That means he was egoless. On the other hand, when his father said, I'll give you to death, he went into solitude and he thought that among the students either I was the first and second, but never the third. That means, yesterday I gave you one shlok, Uttamam Chintitam Kuryat. Proktakari tu Madhyama. So highest student is who does what the thought is in the teacher. Middle student, mediocre one does that after being told. But one who does not do either after being told or either after being, what is it called? Think of the mind. Yah naiva kuryat ubhaya. Yah naiva kuryat ubhaya sa shishyo adhamo mata. Who is neither, he is called Adam. Adam means very inferior. He thought, I am not such kind of student who should be sent to death. That means his past actions also was good. He had a good image about himself. His self-image was good in his eyes. That means he had done dharma in he was dharmic. He was dharmic also. He did the right thing in the past. You can count out which number I am telling about his qualities. 4th, 5th you can see. Next quality what we saw, his father came back to him and his father said, what happened to you? He said, I am going to Yamraj. Then his father tried to dissuade him that you should not go like that. He said, but we should follow the truth in life. What you have said, I should follow. There was a time where the literal meaning of truth was followed. Literal meaning. They were like Dasharatji followed the truth. If they have said something, it becomes literally. Like Draupadi, Arjun followed when Draupadi was brought. You know the story, no? No. When Draupadi was brought by Arjun and outside he said, Mother, I have brought someone. And then she said, distribute among your all. It was not, she did not know that she is Draupadi. And then all brothers became the wife. So literal meaning was followed. Like Harishchandra was there. Not the intended meaning. So truth was very important. Now what is that? This is a very popular mantra, 6th mantra which we read. Now Nachiketa, father was dissuading, don't go, don't go. So he is now asking his father, allow me to go. So this is in inverted comma because this is from Nachiketa. What he says? He says that truth is very superior virtue. All the virtues are based on the truth only. What do you mean by that? Truth is a superior virtue. Then there are certain rules are there. I am supposed to do this. I am not supposed to do that. God has made certain kind of rules. I'm not supposed to talk like that. I'm supposed to say like that. So what is the meaning of not being the truth? So not following the truth first expresses as I do something which is against the scriptures, against the elders, against the saints. Three things. And against my conscience. Four things. I do something or I don't do certain thing where scriptures don't agree, where saints will never approve. Third one. Huh? Elders or society won't agree. And fourth point is my inner God is a conscience that also won't agree. Where I contradict four of them, that is called the untruthful living. Well, but supposing I don't understand, no, you have to understand this is not true and this is true. And here, out of that four, he has taken the leaf of society and elders to prove it. Because everybody may not have heard the scriptures, everybody may not don't understand what the conscience is. So he is saying, so this is the truth. So if truth is not followed, truth means a certain recognized way of living which will take you to ultimate truth. The way of living, empirical way of living, which will pave a way for ultimate truth. That is called the truth. A way of living. I'm always said one point that the speaking the truth is a latter point. First is a way of living. My how what I live. Because if a person lives rightly, he will not be speaking false. Supposing I am living very rightly, I did not do anything that I have to say something wrong. A person says false to protect himself for what he has not done right. If you are not stealing, you need not have to say I am stealing. Something which you have not done, which was right only, there is no scope. So Vag speaking the Vag at the level of sense of speech is much later. First I think wrongly, do wrongly, something is in my wrong in my schedule or character. When there is a defect at these portions already, then it expresses as face saving device called called speaking false. Because if I speak the truth, I will lose the respect and acceptability. And therefore, I use this mask so that I can still be acceptable and I can continue that wrong thing that I am continuing. That wrong which I am doing there or I have done there, because I cannot stop my habit is such, so I can continue that. At the same time, I should be acceptable. I should not be punished for my wrong deeds. This is the psychology behind speaking the false. Got I hope. No. This is the mechanism behind speaking the false. What is the wrong thing? Where a person is going to be caught, I'm telling you what will happen. First is that wrong that he is doing somewhere, which is not as per four things. Four things, don't ask what. I already told. Scriptures, saints or gurus, elders or society, and my own conscience. I'm doing something, I'm flouting these four areas very conveniently. People say, no, he's acting too smart. He's trying to throw dust in my eyes. What are the effects of that? I'll tell you what are the effects of that. First is, in the future you are going to get bad fruit, because nobody can hide from God's eyes. So you be ready now. Second thing that will happen is that for a long time you cannot speak false. It will be exposed. Satyamev Jayate. It will be known slowly that this person is like that. Second thing. And he will lose his acceptability. Third thing, which is more internal, when a person speaks something like that, he creates a sadness inside, because he has created one identity that I am liar. He should have improved himself and spoken the right thing. That would have been better thing. But he is not doing that. So he has created a very negative self-image. I am not good, I am liar. I lie from time to time. And this will percolate in him as some kind of low self-esteem, or low what is it called, self-image. He will not be happy by himself, because he has created lot of contradictions. Because supposing I got up at 7 o'clock. Supposing I don't get up 7 o'clock at all. I got up at 7 o'clock. You asked me what time you got up, Swamiji. Immediately in my thought, internal thought will say 7. The truth is the truth. Internally I will know that it was 7. But externally I said 5. So I have created two personalities after that, fighting with each other. Gurudev used to say self-contradiction, split personality. So result will be, I am pulled by many. Just can you hands down? The result will be that I am that person who has many personality pulling in all directions, like a chariot being pulled by in all directions. A weak person is born. So loss of self-confidence will be the last another result. He will not be he will not be in a state to say, yes, I'm fine, this is what I can do, this is what I am. This is the next result. So first is bad actions. Second is fear of he will live in fear, because every false has to be protected. Truth need not be protected. False has to be protected. I'm telling to you, don't tell to him. This will be the third thing, loss of self-confidence and consequent sadness. Fourth thing, God's unhappiness. God won't be happy upon you. Fifth thing that will happen is this, what is it called? In Prashnopanishad it is said that he is destroyed along with the family also. Very bad, terrible fruit. These Australians, last year they were tampering with the ball. Australians, don't know. Ruchira is not. Huh? Here only, South Africa. South Africa and Australia match was going on. Australia, now those players are back in World Cup. They lost all face. because they don't know hundreds of cameras are there all around. Gone are the days where no camera was there and everything is caught in camera. Batao, forever they has been placed. Similarly, Pakistan also that. And today also that they will be, and there is a blot forever that this is a person who cheated, like Shoaib Akhtar was there, Rawalpindi Express used to call him. These people all, they were good players. Even those Australians, those who were caught, they were among the best players of Australia. But talent is not a great thing. Character is bigger than talent. I read somewhere, talent takes you to the top, character keeps you there. अब ये झूठ करके and who has gone? So I'm not saying speak the truth. I'm repeating my point. What I have understood about the truth is this only. Please change the lifestyle so that there is no need to say something. If I know that on this issue, if I will be asked a question or I have to say, and this is false, I cannot tell that. Acha, hiding also is a true, false speaking. Remember thing. Supposing something you are not telling, you are hiding it. Well, I'm not saying the false, but I'm not telling the truth. You have certain issues which are required to be told, but you kept quiet. Certain issues were there, it was required, right? You should have told it. Somebody didn't ask, but still you should have told it. Not that it has to be asked. Certain things are not asked, but better you tell it. But because I did not do it or didn't do it rightly, that is another kind of lie only. You are protecting the wrong thing. And all 5 after effects will come. You will not pave the way because you have made a Ashuddhanta current. Mind is not purified. And therefore, very much emphasis is on the living and on the right way of living at least. At least at the physical level, don't be a dharmic so that you don't have to hide certain facts of your life. Certain facts of your personal life you need not hide a lot, or you need not project something which you have not done also. Sometime to get recognition, a person says false sometimes. That should not be done. And here this is said here by Nachiketa to his father, Anupashya yatha purve pratipashya tatha pare. Anupashya means alochaya. Bhashakar writes alochaya. Alochaya means see it, carefully observe. Nibhale. Nibhale means carefully see what has been done. Supposing I am a teacher, I should see how my earlier teachers have been teaching. What tradition I am coming from. What was the ideal of a good teacher? My standards should be higher. They are the benchmark. Is it okay? Similarly, if I am a disciple, which I am, I should also see how the disciples have been in the past. Where I have to be, supposing they were here, I am here. So what can I do that I can also go there? What can I do? This question should come. Then otherwise I am living a false life then. Then all 5 problems will come. So anupashyatha purve. तान दृष्ट्वा च तेषां वृत्तम आस्थातुम अर्हसि वर्तमाना च परे साधव प्रतिपश्य तथा परे. Pare means others. Please see others also in the society. Those who have gained high position in life. I don't think so in any area by speaking lie anybody has gone on the top. Whether politics, cricket, science, journalism, I have yet to see anybody like that. Even if he has gone on the top, he has fallen down. So it is written here one very beautiful line. Na cha teshu mrisha karanam vrittam vartamanam vasti. There is no false living in them. Third line is there. There is no false vritti. There is a false conduct is not there. False conduct is not there. Their credibility is very higher. Okay. Their credibility is very higher. It's very clear and clean. I am clear and clean. Therefore, in always life, don't target to have lot of money. Because when you target money, you will start sacrificing this thing. This is more important than money. Okay. Then, na cha mrisha kritva kaschit ajaro amro bhavati. It is said here, by false life, false way of living, nobody has become immortal. Na cha mrisha kritva kaschit ajaro amro bhavati. There is nobody who has attained very high just by speaking the false. Ab batao, police, court, all these things happen. See, in this country, so many people are, at least, if though they are not caught, if they are not caught, at least they are having a bad name. Oh, Karmphal will not leave. It will know how to chase. It always catches you from 10 angles. It is not going to spare anybody. Only I can escape. You cannot escape for a long time. Five problem will come from that. Speaking the lie and wrong living. And you yourself will be dissatisfied. Even if somebody is praising you, you will say, don't praise, I'm not very a good person. You will feel like that. I'm not that good. And you live with that I'm not good. Aham asatyavan. I'm liar. I'm not very pure person. I'm not very good. What happened? So na cha mrisha karanam. Broken or what? Okay. So sasyam iv marti pachyate. Then second line it is said here. देखो क्या बढ़िया line है. It is said for what you are speaking the false to protect your. It is very short life. Pitaji, you are asking me not to. Anyway, will pass very fast. To protect each other, you are trying to lie, but we are about to pass very fast. So what you are trying to hold will go away very fast. So it's a very bad deal to spoil your big fruit of it. Anyway, that fruit will go away very fast. What you are trying to hold by false, it is about to go away. Sasya means crops. Like paddy field is there. So this is the characteristic. Again he is born. Ab dekho Harishchand, he left everything. And therefore, there is one shlok, it is said, Sadbhistu Leelaya Proktam. Sadbhistu Leelaya Proktam Shila Likhit Akshar. Those who are great people, if they say something as if they are put on the stone, it is writing on the stone. They thought, I will do it. Sadbhistu Leelaya Proktam Shila Likhit Akshar. Their words are first and final. Asadbhi shapate napi jale likhit akshar. Asadbhi shapate napi. Those who are not committed people, even if they swear and they take oath also, it is like writing on the water. Sadvistu Lilaya Proktam Shilalikhit Aksharam. Asadvistu Shapatenapi Jale Likatam Aksharam. Jale Likitam Aksharam. As if they are writing. That means it won't be there. Well, he said it. He won't do it. He only says, you don't trust him. I don't think so. He will do that. He said it, then he will do it. I mean, his words are final. One very beautiful thing happens by speaking. And what happens? This is a Vyavharik thing I'm telling you. Empirical level. Empirical level, how much people will trust you. Because you live with that. You live with the what trust you enjoy of others. You don't live with the body. You live only this person cannot do like that. The recent campaign I saw in India. So these opposition people in India, they were really campaigning very bad for Prime Minister Modi. They did everything to malign his image. And it boomeranged. Because that person has such a clean image for 20 years of political life. He had no bank account also. His mother still lives in a small room. His brother he never invited his brother to the PM house in Delhi. Forget about they being in touch. There is nobody for whom he can do anything. Court gave him a clean sheet. But opposition thought, by mudslinging I can win. But they lost much more because people got more angry. Always live wherever you are that people have lot of trust on you. Only what he's saying, he must be thinking like that also. He is the person who does a lot. He is the person who won't hide. He is the person who will go to any extent to do the right thing. He is a very highly committed person. If he is there, that means anything can be done. He is not making fool of anybody. This kind of credibility comes after many years of your living. He is saying like that. Whether you are in the office, whether you are in the house also I have seen people like that. Mama, Chacha, Bhai, Ben, all are there. You can say, Bhai, I can't belong. I can't believe in my brother only. I've seen such cases also. I cannot, regarding money matters, I can't believe in him. He takes money, I don't know what he does about that. Although he's my brother, but I can't say about that. I'm not sure about what he's not clear how he spent, what he does. I am not clear what he's doing nowadays. I don't know where he goes. Some people have quite a hazy area around them. That should not be there. We should be black and white person. Lot of gray areas are existing around that person. When he sleeps, I don't know. When he gets up, I don't know. What he eats, I don't know. Whom he is close to, I don't know. Where he went last night, I don't know. He doesn't tell. I gave him that work, didn't respond. I don't know what he did about that. He took the money, I don't know what he did. Then what will happen with that person first thing he will not get a work. You will say, why to give him? Again, he will not do and he will not tell. Second thing, what will happen? Everybody will distance because he is not the person of credibility. I can't trust him. I can't trust him. Getting my point? So then you cannot say I don't get love. Then you should not say that I'm not loved that much. So Satyam has to do with the love ultimately. Then don't demand that, he is loved and why I'm not loved. Why work is given to him and not to me. Then don't expect that. And if you are really deserving, worth will definitely come to you in the office also. Now, this is a small sentence, but it has a lot of meaning in it. Not everybody will get love. Know this. Not everybody will get respect. Not everybody will get credibility. Not everybody will get name. Not everybody will be sought after. Not everybody would be wanted. Then don't say that I don't get love. Find out what is wrong in me, I think. Something must be wrong. Something. You cannot force anybody to love you. You cannot force anybody to respect you.